Hi everyone, I'm Jeff STRAUB, Executive Chef for the Pittsburgh Penguins.
And I'm Beth Stark, Registered Dietitian Nutritionist with the PA Beef Council.
Today, we're here at the kitchen of the UPMC Lemieux Sports Complex, the official practice facility for the Pittsburgh Penguins. And we're going to be showing you how to beef up your burgers. You might be asking yourself, how do you do that? Well, by adding a variety of different nutritional ingredients that Beth's going to tell you all about. And while we're grilling the burgers, I'm going to give you some tips on how to grill them to perfection.
I can't wait. You know, real beef burgers truly are the ideal, nutrient-dense, flavor-filled, high-quality protein base for fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and low-fat dairy. And what's not to love about a freshly grilled burger, right?
I couldn't agree more.
I know. So the recipe we're making today is a Caribbean grilled beef burger with a fresh mango salsa. And I just love the simplicity of the salsa and how the flavors come together to really enhance the overall irresistible flavor of the beef burger, as well as the nutrition profile.
All right, you ready to get going?
I am, let's do it.
Let's get going. All right, Beth, so the first thing I got here, I have about a pound of 90% lean ground beef. And to this beef, I'm going to add about 1.5 tablespoons of a Caribbean jerk seasoning. I like spice, so I like to go a little bit heavy. You know, if you prefer to go a little bit lighter on the spice and you don't like it too spicy, feel free to cut back if you prefer. I'm just gonna go ahead and mix this all up in here, get it nice and incorporated.
I love how something so simple as a seasoning can really just change up the flavor of the beef.
100%, absolutely. So now we have it all nice and incorporated. I'm gonna portion this out evenly into 4 patties. If you have a scale at your house, you could totally use a scale if you wanna be exact. You don't have to. 4 nice size portions here. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take the palm of my hand, I'm just gonna kind of press them into a patty shape. And then I'm just gonna take my thumbs and I'm gonna press a little dimple right here in the middle, not too deep, just enough to kind of hold shape when it's on the grill. So what do you got going on your side here?
Yeah, so you know, we're really kind of sticking with the tropical flair in this recipe here. So we're making the simple fresh mango salsa, and really fresh fruit and vegetable salsas, guacamole, and you know, different vegetable sauce can be such fabulous toppers for burgers. They enhance the flavor, the texture, and they boost the nutrition. So I love that as the dietitian.
That's great.
So here I just have 1 large mango that's been peeled, pitted, and chopped. And that really just adds a sweet tropical flavor.
Who doesn't love a nice mango in the summertime?
Agreed. And again, it's just a simple recipe that can really, you know, elevate the flavors in the burger. This is 1 tablespoon of green onions. And I love that all the ingredients beyond the mango is just 1 tablespoon of each, so it's so easy. We've got some jalapeno pepper, of course. We need a little heat in our salsa. This is the fresh cilantro. And then here we're gonna add just a squeeze of fresh lime juice. And this really just kind of brings it all together, right?
Oh yeah, it'll help really brighten it up too, give it a nice acidity.
Absolutely.
Kind of cut through the nice creaminess and fattiness of the beef and the mango.
Okay, well, and there you have it. So ideally, we'd let this sit for about 25 to 30 minutes just so all the flavors can blend. So while this chills out, we're gonna head out to the grill.
Awesome, let's go outside and cook up some burgers.
All right, so here we are at the grill.
We made it.
And Chef Jeff is going to share some of his top tips for grilling perfectly juicy burgers every time. So what are those tips?
All right, Beth, so first things first, what we want to do is we want to start with a hot grill. So we preheated our grill for about 10 minutes here. It's clean, as you can see, no leftover old food residue or anything on it. And before I put our beautiful burgers on here, we want to spray the grill with a non-stick spray, so that way it helps them not to stick.
That's right.
So I'm just gonna take a little spray here. We're just gonna give a little spray. You gotta watch yourself a little. Sometimes that happens.
We know that grill is hot and ready to cook then.
It is hot, that's for sure. All right, and I'm just gonna take our burgers. We're just gonna place them.
Oh, you hear the sizzle.
Oh,
you hear the sizzle.
So now that our burgers are on the grill, you hear that nice sizzle. Grill is nice and hot. What we wanna do is kind of just wanna leave them alone. We don't want to do anything. We don't want to touch them. We don't want to flip them. We don't want to press them. If you press them, you're squeezing all that wonderful juice out, and they're just going to be dry. You're losing a lot of the nutritional value by squeezing all that juice out of there. So we just want to kind of let it go for about 4 to 5 minutes. And then we're
just
gonna
be patient, right? Just
be patient.
Let the grill do its thing.
Let the burgers do their thing. Let the grill do its thing. And then we're just going to flip them over. And then cook them till your doneness, till about 160 of an internal temperature. And then we'll be ready to to eat them up.
That's right. Well, no, those are really fabulous tips. And something else to note too with these burgers, so you're gonna lose about 1 ounce of beef for every 4-ounce burger. So these are gonna cook down to be about 3 ounces per serving here. And 3 ounces of ground beef supplies 10 essential nutrients, including zinc, iron, and B vitamins, as well as 25 grams of protein. So we're all about protein to fuel that healthy and active lifestyle. So these burgers will deliver that, and they're gonna taste delicious.
Wow, that's good. 25 grams of protein and 3 ounces of beef.
That's right.
That's fantastic.
All right, so we're just gonna let these grill to perfection, and then we'll pull them off and get ready to eat.
Sounds good. All right, Beth, looks like these burgers are ready to go. Ready
Can't wait, I can't wait.
All right, so we're gonna take them off here. We have some real nice multi-grain seeded hamburger buns here. We're just gonna put our burgers right on these nice buns.
That's right, yeah, they give a great boost of whole grains and fiber, and then we're topping it here with this beautiful tropical fresh mango salsa.
Looks so delicious.
And the aroma is just phenomenal here.
Great.
All right, and we'll add these to our platter.
Awesome.
I think the last thing we have to do is eat, right?
I do think so.
So let's do it. So thank you so much for grilling with us today. We hope you had as much fun as we did. For more recipe information, nutrition info, or to learn a little bit more about the PA Beef Council and what we do, please visit us at pabeef.org.
Cheers.
Cheers.